everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will do basic algebra. These are 3 questions, and in this video we will learn how to solve these questions, and after solving these questions we are able to solve each question of this kind. And let's start. First of all, we will start from the question number 1, that is equal to 6. Question number 1 is equal to 6 into 4x plus y bracket close plus 2 into x negative y bracket close is equal to question mark. So this question we will perform first. This is question. First of all, 6 into 4x plus y is equal plus 2 into x negative y. So equal to sign. 6 will be multiplied with this number. 6 4s are 24 x, and after that 6 will multiply with this number plus 6 1s are, because its coefficient is 1, so 6y bracket close plus, now similarly 2 will multiply with 1, this x, its coefficient is 1, 2 1s are 2 x as it is. Now 2 will be multiplied with this y and its coefficient is 1, so negative 2y. After this, open the brackets. 24x plus 6y plus 2x negative 2y. Okay, now separate x and y values. This is 24x and this is 2x, so join them because these are positive values. So 24 plus 2 is equal to 26, and this is x. Now plus this is 6y, this is negative 2y, so the difference is 4, it's y. So this is answer of this question. Simplification is done with question number 1. Now starting with question number 2, b part. X negative bracket y negative 3 into 2x negative y bracket close, and this is question mark. So first of all, equal to sign, multiply, work on this, multiply this 3 with this, and this will be this. Okay, x negative, this is, y will be as it is. Now bracket close, because negative sign is out of the bracket, so after that what impact of this negative sign we will see. 2 3s are 6x negative 3 multiply with y 3y. Okay, now x negative this y, open this bracket, this is negative sign, this 6x will be negative 6x, and this negative multiply with this will be plus 3y. When negative sign is out of bracket, all the signs in the bracket, all the symbols in the bracket will be changed. Now x negative, this is 3y, this is y, this is positive, this is also positive, it will be 4y negative 6x. Okay, now this is x and this is negative. When negative multiply to the bracket, all the signs are changed, so positive x y 4y will be negative 4y, and after that this negative 6x will be plus 6x. Okay, now simplify x and for x and y. This is x is positive, this is positive, so x plus x 6x is equal to 7x negative 4y. So this is answer number 2 from question number B. Now taking this question, equal to sign, we will doing question number C. Okay, 7x. So guys, 7x negative, this will be 2. Now solve this bracket first. Okay, in bracket 3 will be multiplied with this x is equal to 3x negative 3 multiply with this 2, it is 6. Okay, bracket negative this will be multiplied 2 with x 2x, and this negative this will be multiplied 2 with negative 10, means multiply with 5, it will be negative 10. Okay, now after that 7x negative 2, now simplify this 3x negative 6, now this is negative 2x, and this negative multiply with this, it will be plus 10. Okay, now this is 7x negative 2, now separate x values, this is 3x and this is negative 2x, 3x negative 2x is equal to x now plus 4, because this is negative 6, this is positive 10, now their difference is 4, but sign will be positive because 10 is greater than 6. Okay, now after that this is 7x, now this is 2 multiply with 2x, and this will be multiply with 2 will 8, it is 8, 2 multiply with 4, it will be 8. Now after that 7x negative 2x, and this sign will be changed into negative because this is negative, this positive will be changed into negative. Okay, now 7x negative 2x is equal to 5x, and this is negative 8. So this is answer for question number C. So these are the questions and how they multiply you learn in this video, and it's very simple if you know the rule, and this is basic algebra. I hope so you got the idea. If you still have any problem, you can comment under the video. Thank you for watching this video. See you and subscribe this channel. Thank you.